10 Best ChatGPT Prompts for WordPress Website Maintenance. Regular maintenance of a WordPress website ensures its optimal performance, security, and user experience. Why your WordPress site is like a vintage car. Imagine owning a pristine vintage car. Sleek, shiny, and a head-turner on the streets. But what if you never changed its oil? Or checked its tires? It'd break down, right? Your WordPress site isn't much different. Think of regular maintenance as that essential oil change. It ensures your website runs smoothly, stays secure, and gives your visitors the royal experience they deserve. Because here's the truth, a neglected WordPress site isn't just slow or buggy. It's a sitting duck for hackers and a fast ticket to losing trust. Now, I don't tell you this to scare you, but to give you the power to act. Regular maintenance isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Just like caring for that vintage car. Give your WordPress site the tune-up it deserves. Because in the digital highway, you don't want to be left on the roadside. Here are 10 ChatGPT prompts tailored to guide users on the topic of WordPress website maintenance. 1. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress maintenance basics. Why is regular maintenance crucial for my WordPress website? 2. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress updates and upgrades. How do I safely update my WordPress core, themes, and plugins without breaking my site? 3. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress performance monitoring. What tools or plugins can I use to monitor the performance and speed of my WordPress site? 4. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress database optimization. How can I clean and optimize my WordPress database for better performance? 5. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress security checks. What steps should I take to regularly ensure my WordPress site is secure from threats? 6. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress broken links. How can I check for and fix broken links on my WordPress website? 7. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress backup verification. How do I verify that my backups are working correctly and can be restored if needed? 8. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress comments and spam management. What's the best way to manage and clean up spam comments from my site? 9. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress content review. How often should I review and update the content on my WordPress site to keep it relevant? 10. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress user experience, UX, audit. Can you suggest tools or methods to regularly audit the user experience of my WordPress website? By addressing these prompts with ChatGPT, users can obtain actionable insights and best practices for keeping their WordPress website running smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description below to download 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts and experience the power of ChatGPT prompts for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.